Hey everybody, thank you for popping in. Come on in. This is Sunbonkreations. We are making bracelets tonight. Let's see if I can get you in the film. I don't want to be in the film, so we're going to do it this way, and I'll try to keep you in the frame. And how you guys are doing on this lovely Friday afternoon. I think it's maybe around 7, I'm not sure. But I'm making bracelets for the fall festivals or fall holiday season, or whatever, and I'm putting these kind of like in a what do you call it, kind of like in a gift. I don't want to say gift, but okay, so please go through. Excuse me. Sometimes I put the bead caps on there prematurely. There we go. And sometimes I can't get the bead caps through. I have to take the bead caps off. And so we're doing a quick bracelet. And I'm using paper beads and some of my hand painted. I hope this isn't too dark for you. It is so busy here in this county I live in. It's busy and it's noisy. Got some new people that moved in on top. I live on the 2nd floor, and they are so noisy. I know they knew, but that child is running around. Something terrible upstairs. About to drive me crazy. I hate noise. I'm not a noise person. The people that were there before, that lived there, they were quiet. Very, very quiet. Quiet compared to what's up there now. But all I know what I need to do is get on through to my next destination. But anyway, we're making bracelets right now. Oh, this is cute. I didn't think this one would turn out like that. Oh, I like that. Let me see. I might have to find some more beads. I might need a few more beads. Yeah, I need one more bead of and I'm looking at you. Yes. Right here. It's the last bead like that. So I hope this bracelet don't be crooked, because I don't have another bead. I hope it's even. But we'll see. You know, sometimes you make a bracelet and they kind of be off a little bit, but I think that'll be okay. So yeah, I like that one. It turned, pretty good. You know, these wooden beads are they're lightweight. They're not heavyweight. And that beautiful, what bead? That beautiful paper bead. Yeah, y'all forgive me because that noise up there got me a little disturbed. But I like that. Like I say, I'm doing these for the fall market. They got a lot of markets open this time of year. I didn't realize that. So next year, if I'm still doing this here, I'm going to, plan ahead. I'm going to plan better so I could catch a lot more, because I got on Facebook and it's like everybody said, oh my goodness. Some of them sold out for this area. And the fee's not that expensive, like $30 or $40. I don't think that's bad. But then again, I got scammed on Facebook, so I have to check these things out. I don't know if these things legit or not. So that's why, a lot of them I'm like, I just pass by, because I don't trust these people no more. Because people are money hungry. They're money hungry and they will cheat you. And I don't feel like being scammed anymore. If I didn't have these noise, this microphone on, y'all could hear all of that stuff upstairs. But that's what that one looks like, guys. So we finished that one. I'm just going to put it up there like this, but I'm going to have to come back and do a little thumbnail. Let's see. Got that much space open on it. So that's good. So this will go up to like an 8-inch. I like that. But anyway, guys, quick video. 5 minutes on this one. And I used the bead caps, and I thought, see the bead caps, and I thought the bead caps would bring it out a little bit, make it snazzy, a little bit snazzy. And that's a paper bead, and this is some type of gray bluish bead, and this is a bead I painted, and that's another paper bead, and that's a little turquoise, faux turquoise chip, and a yellow jasper. And that's how I finished off this bracelet, guys. And it turned out very well. And of course, those are my hand-painted beads. And this focal is a hand-painted bead also. Your close-up look, it is beautiful. Where I use a little bit of gold tint in there. On the bead was actually white, so I used like a gold tint and like a teal, and I just used various strokes, you know, to get it in that beautiful design. So I'll do one more video, so I'll show you what I made. Do like a show and tell. But anyway, thank you guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.